Hey there, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Guy Fieri's Flavortown Laser Titanium Fry Pan Set, where non-stick magic meets durability like never before. This incredible two-piece set includes an 8.5-inch and a 10-inch fry pan, both boasting a revolutionary laser titanium surface that ensures excellent food release without any PFAS, PTFE, or PFOA chemical coatings. Imagine cookware that's 3 times tougher than your grandma's stainless steel, thanks to a patented process where lasers fuse a titanium alloy to the surface, making it safe for metal utensils. These pans are not just tough, they're full-throttle oven safe up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe, compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. Plus, they're built to last, covered by a limited lifetime warranty, so you can cook with confidence. So, whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, these pans have got you covered. Get ready to elevate your cooking game with Guy Fieri's Flavortown Fry Pan Set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.